I am a current student of ATSR English classes and learning it in 8th standard. And today's our question is that why English language as well as the education, why education is important. So according to me, that education is most important in every person's life, not only in student life but in every person's life from start to finish. That we learn is called education, and we should also take education from many another things, not only from the school but also from our surrounding. We can take education, we can learn many another things from our surrounding. And by taking education, we can come to know many another things, and we can also become a successful person as according to me. So what
Yes, I am totally appreciate with you. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Vedika Dada, and I am also current student of ADSR is English. Now question is why is English and education important? So, in our life, education is most important. Now, this time we are also studying. So, in that time we get education, and without education we cannot success in our life. Due to education we get a success, and education is that weapon that we can get success in our field and in our whole life. So what can you say?
Yes, I am totally appreciate you. Firstly, I introduced you myself, Pragati Bodade, and today we are discussing on the topic which is given by them. That's our importance of English languages and why the education is important having new life. Means having new life, the education plays a vital role in our life. Also, English language is now this time we are speaking here in front of you due to the English means English plays a vital role in everybody's life. Whenever we would go for the interview, so at that time they ask the question means the manager asks the question in the English language. Means the education and the English language plays a vital role in our life. So what can you say?
Yeah, I'm totally agree. First, I introduce myself Bhakti Patikar, and now I am learning in 7th class, and I am also current student of ADSR English spoken classes. Now we are discussing about the topic which is the why education and the English language is important. We everybody know the English language and the education is related to each other. Means just the if education play a vital role in everybody's life, means if we have to success in our life, we have to achieve our goal. At that time, the education plays a vital role in our life, and also the English is important. So what can you say about?
Yes, I totally appreciate with all of you. So firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Kiran Khase. So I talk in front of you and express my thought in front of you about why is English important and education important. By the angle of me, English is not a subject. If we learn the subject, if we learn English language perfectly, it is beneficial for in our future also. Because in our past we just learn English subject because we learn English subject. So sometimes it is very harmful for us. So what can you say?
So I am also agree with you. So firstly introduce myself. My name is Poonam Gawade. I am learning in 8th standard. So our topic is the why the education is important, and also the English language is also important. So education and English language is also important, and both are important in a student life. Just education is the key of success. If you have to do the study at the 8th, 9th and 10th, so your life is a free, and you can do any work, and